Okay, go. Damn it. Pick it up. Shoot again. Shoot again. Oh! Snipes. Okay, pass it back down to him. Avery, go again.
Were you recording?
Yeah, that was beast. Go again. Pick it up. Picks it up. Throws. Oh! Jump shot. Oh, no. Can't get the rebound.
But he could not get the rebound.
Uh-oh, we have an Adam Stengel in the house. Whoa! My ball. Oh, no, that could have got the rebound. Oh, Avery, come on. Oh, my God. Oh, that would have got the Coke. I should have got the Coke. Oh, my God. Wait, ready? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, see this? See, that is the hero ball. Ready? You have to pick it up and throw it. Go. Grabs it. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Move, 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 move. You're going to get hit by a really hard ball. Move. Okay, we're good. Whoa. Oh, oh, no. Adam. Come on, Avery. That was amazing. Here, let me restart the